Okay, we're gonna zap some wood with electricity. First of all, over here I have a neon sign transformer that changes the power in the plug in the wall, the 120 volts to 15,000 volts. We are going to zap a chunk of wood here. First off, we need some water and some baking soda. So I've got some water in the bowl here. And I'll get some baking soda and dump it in the bowl. Alright. I'm going to stir that around so we have plenty of baking soda in the water. We'll spread it on the wood there. The baking soda makes this water a little more conductive and also acts as a flame retardant. It doesn't make it like burst into flames necessarily. It still can. So I'm going to take the positive side. Well, it's AC, so I guess there's not a positive and negative. It's a wave that goes up and down, positive and negative. We'll put them there, and then I will turn on the power and see what happens. The power is on, and there goes one side. The electricity is trying to get from one side to the other side, from one of the metal to the other side. And I know there's been lots of videos with this. This one's my neon sign transformer. A lot less scary than a microwave transformer, but still has potential to kill you. So this is very dangerous. This other side doesn't want to start. Maybe it'll just go off on one side. Oh, it's going to change its mind and go a different way. Another thing that's kind of fun with this, I don't know how it's going to look, but it's kind of fun to watch this in the dark. So I'll shut off the lights and see what it looks like. You can see it crawl across there in the dark. Hope the other side's thinking about starting. Maybe we'll just have one side. Oh, I see. The other side that looks like it's starting, the others, it's just a reflection. You can see it sparkle where it wants to. You can see that main red line is where all the current's going. Sometimes it changes its mind and goes a different way. Oh, like right now, it changed its mind and went a different way. We'll give you an update on what it looks like. We'll turn the lights back on. It went down one way, now it's trying a different way. Let's see if we can't encourage this other side to start. This is very dangerous. Don't try this at home. We'll move it up over here. You see it's really wet over here, so it doesn't want to burn. Imagine that. Water puts out fire. We may be doomed to have one side, which is okay. Let's turn off the lights again. That big long vein that goes off to the other side. Shows a different direction. Ooh, it's gonna change. Ah, picked a different way. Give you another update on what it looks like in the light. Growing across there. You can kind of tell how this one side of the board is kind of dried out, the other side's still kind of wet. Looks like we're almost there. We'll let it finish the circuit if it will. There's quite a puddle of water over here. Oh, it changed its mind again, going a different way. Kind of boiling off the water as it goes. Well, while that's trying to finish, I'm going to get the next part out that I do, because once it finishes, we're going to take some vinegar. Ugh. So we can cancel out the baking soda. Oh yeah, that one's vinegar. I found it. Will it ever finish? Will it ever finish? In the meantime, dump some vinegar in this other bowl. Just a little bit. Wondering if the other side will start. It changed its mind again. Someday I'll figure out how to speed up a video. Oh, it's coming out the other side. Oh, around the edge of the wood even. It's gonna meet around the edge. I better bring this over here so you can see. It's gonna meet on the side. When it does, there's usually a bright light and then it's done. And oh, and it is done. It will not travel anymore. The circuit is complete. So next thing I do to make it look prettier, I've shut off the power. Shut off the power. Then I'll pull those off. We'll take the vinegar. This is warm. It was on fire. And we put it on here and see how it fizzes. That's that baking soda vinegar reaction, just like one of those volcanoes from elementary school. But see how it cleans up some of that soot. Makes it look shinier. Then I usually take it into the sink and scrub it off. I'll go do that quick and then show you what it looks like. I am back with the finished product. Here it is. Not great light, but there it is. So it came from this side and went across, changed its mind a few times, and then in the end, it connected the circuit on the side there. And that is that. We'll make another one in a minute. Maybe. Bye!